In the heart of a quiet forest, where nature rises vertically and space is precious, this two-story residence redefines what compact luxury can truly become. Designed not to expand outward, but upward, this home transforms limitations into architectural strength. Every level, every material, and every view has been carefully curated to deliver an experience that feels expansive, immersive, and deeply connected to its surroundings. This is not just a house, it is a masterclass in vertical living.
Welcome to Creative Abode, where the art of design meets life. Explore unique architecture, innovative interiors, and inspiring spaces. Transform your home, discover new trends, and indulge in beautiful aesthetics. Let's create spaces that reflect your style, comfort, and creativity. Make yourself at home, and let your imagination wander.
The first impression is one of quiet confidence. The facade reveals a contemporary composition of stacked volumes, where natural stone anchors the structure and dark timber cladding allows it to dissolve into the forest backdrop. Floor-to-ceiling glass introduces transparency, while matte black steel accents add precision and strength. The vertical orientation immediately communicates intelligent spatial planning, offering a luxurious presence without overwhelming the landscape. Subtle lighting enhances texture and depth, ensuring the home feels warm, refined, and unmistakably modern. Stepping inside, the living room opens upward rather than outward. A double-height ceiling creates a sense of grandeur, amplified by expansive glazing that frames the forest like a living artwork. Natural light pours in, balanced by warm ambient illumination that enhances the textures of stone, wood, and soft furnishings. The vertical circulation, anchored by a sculptural staircase, becomes a design feature, reinforcing flow and openness. This space feels both intimate and expansive, proving that luxury is defined by proportion, not size. The master bedroom occupies the upper level, elevated both physically and experientially. Here, privacy meets immersion, as floor-to-ceiling windows open toward the forest canopy. Dark wood paneling creates warmth, while a restrained color palette encourages rest and balance. Integrated lighting eliminates visual clutter, allowing the architecture to breathe. This bedroom is not simply a place to sleep, it is a retreat designed to slow time, where nature becomes part of the daily ritual. The kitchen embodies efficiency refined by luxury. Vertical cabinetry maximizes storage without overwhelming the space, while stone countertops and matte black fixtures introduce durability and elegance. Open sightlines connect the kitchen seamlessly to the living area, reinforcing the home's vertical continuity. Natural light highlights textures and materials, transforming everyday functionality into a visual experience. This is a kitchen designed not just for cooking, but for living, where design supports movement, clarity, and connection. The mezzanine serves as the architectural heart of the home. Suspended between floors, it creates a visual and spatial dialogue between levels. Black steel railings maintain openness, while warm wood flooring ensures continuity. From here, the home's vertical intelligence becomes clear, spaces overlap without crowding, and light flows effortlessly throughout. This is where architecture becomes experiential, offering perspective, flexibility, and a sense of discovery within a compact footprint. The bathroom transforms daily routines into moments of retreat. Stone surfaces, dark wood cabinetry, and matte black fixtures establish a spa-like atmosphere rooted in natural luxury. A freestanding bathtub positioned near a forest-facing window dissolves the boundary between interior and exterior. Soft, indirect lighting enhances calm while emphasizing material depth. This space demonstrates that even the most functional rooms deserve thoughtful design and emotional resonance. The front yard acts as a gentle transition between architecture and nature. Minimalist landscaping respects the existing forest, guiding visitors along a stone pathway that feels intentional yet organic. Low-profile lighting subtly defines form without disrupting the environment. Rather than competing with nature, the design frames it, allowing the house to emerge as part of the landscape rather than an intrusion within it. Above it all, the rooftop offers a private sanctuary elevated above the forest floor. Wooden decking and minimalist furnishings provide comfort without distraction, while glass railings preserve uninterrupted views of the treetops. At dusk, soft lighting transforms the space into a tranquil retreat, ideal for reflection or quiet gathering. This rooftop exemplifies the power of vertical design, adding value without expanding the footprint. The working room reflects a modern understanding of productivity. Compact yet refined, it is positioned to capture natural light and forest views, reducing visual fatigue and enhancing focus. Built-in shelving maintains organization, while warm task lighting creates balance. This is a workspace designed for clarity and intention, where architecture supports concentration rather than competing with it. The backyard completes the home's spatial journey. Sliding glass doors blur boundaries, allowing interior spaces to extend naturally outdoors. A stone patio anchors the setting, while subtle lighting maintains intimacy as daylight fades. The forest remains untouched, reinforcing the home's respect for its surroundings. This is not an addition, it is a continuation, where architecture gently steps aside and lets nature lead. This two-story forest residence is a powerful reminder that luxury is not defined by excess, but by intention. Through intelligent vertical design, refined material choices, and a deep respect for nature, the home achieves spatial generosity within a compact form. It stands as an elegant solution for modern living, where architecture rises thoughtfully, and every square meter truly matters.